Luban L3 dot matrix external cable operation demonstration. This cell phone face feature has been disabled. A problem was detected with the true depth camera. Face ID has been disabled. Next, we take out the front camera. Reinstall the screen and turn it on. Take out the Luban L3 Smart Restorer. Snap on the front camera. Detection views the status. Connecting the phone to the programmer. Click to trust. Go to the Activate Repair page. Connect the PD fast charging cable. The letters PD must appear. Start act. Activation success. Take away the front camera. Take out the dot matrix external cable and put it on. Sensing data normal. Click on Core. Data written successfully. Start installation. Start testing. Repair perfection.